Hi, Mr. Grabowski. This is my redo video. And first off, we're going to be talking about explicit costs. So, explicit costs are the money that literally go out of the business. That's why I'm drawing a box with a dollar sign out inside. So, it actually shows the cash leaving your pocket. Now, these are examples of payments the firm directly has to make. So wages, because you pay workers, rent because you pay for the building or land, and supplies because you buy materials. All of these require real money transactions. So explicit is just the actual payment / out-of-pocket costs. Now we're going to be moving on to the implicit costs. So implicit costs are different because they don't involve cash actually leaving the business. That's why I'm drawing a cloud with opportunity cost inside, because clouds represent ideas or thoughts, because implicit costs are what you give up and they're not actually what you pay. So here are two examples which I've written down here. Your own time and the salary you could have earned somewhere else. So you don't write a check for these, but they will still cost you because you could have used those resources in another way. So implicit is what you give up. It's just no cash paid. So now I'm going to be showing the accounting profit versus the economic profit. So I'm drawing a chart right now, which the left column is the accounting profit and the right column is the economic profit. So accounting profit uses only explicit costs, so the money that actually goes out. And economic profit uses both explicit and implicit costs, so it gives you a real picture. Now, for accounting profit, the formula is AP equals TR minus explicit. So accounting profit subtracts just the explicit costs. We'll need the actual dollar payments. So an example would be 10K minus 7K equals 3K. So if a business earns 10,000 and explicitly pays 7,000 in costs, the accounting profit is 3,000. In the right column, the formula for economic profit is EP equals TR minus explicit plus implicit. So if you include a $2,000 implicit cost, the profit drops to 1,000. That's why economic profit is always lower. So economic profit is less than accounting profit. And that's the key takeaway. Okay, so fixed cost is the same at every quantity, so I'm putting 4 all the way down. The cost doesn't change whether the firm produces 0 units or 6 units. Variable cost increases as the output increases. Total cost, at 0 it's 4, at 1 it's 8, 2, 10, 12, 15, 19, 25. Marginal revenue, it's in perfect competition. Firms are price takers, so MR always equals price. Total revenue equals price times quantity. So at Q1, TR equals 5, then 10, then 15, 20, 25, 30. And at Q equals 0, T is always 0. TR is always 0. AVC is equal to VC divided by Q, and that's the formula I use to find all these values. AFC is equal to FC divided by Q, and that's how I got 4, 2, 1.33, 1.8, and 0.67. Now, ATC is equal to TC divided by Q. That's how I get 8, 5, 4, 3.75, 3.8, and 4.17. Now, we're going to be moving on to profit maximizing quantity. So to find the profit maximizing quantity, I will eventually compare the MR and MC. So the last place where MR is greater than or equal to MC is at Q is equal to 5. So that's where the firm produces. At Q6, MC is, so 6 is greater than 5. So that's why at Q equals 5, it is at the profit maximization. Now I'll be moving on to the revenue and profit portion of this. So total revenue at Q equals 5 is $25, and the total cost is $19. So profit is TR minus TC, which is $6 total profit, and total revenue is not the same thing as total profit. So total revenue is at $25 while total profit is at $6.